Yes, Mister.
F from factor. So when you have GCF means greatest common factor, okay? Now how we find the greatest common factor of 2 or 3 numbers, guys? Let's take this way, okay? Find, example, focus, guys, so we can do it together. Find the greatest common factor for the two numbers 12 and 16. 12 and 16, okay? 12 and 16. We need to find the greatest common factor. Okay, common, guys, greatest means the biggest one. Common between means a factor here and here, okay? Now, how we find the greatest common factor? We will use a way called, we call it a three-way. We call it a three-way, okay? What's the three-way? Focus with me, all of you here, guys, all of you. عشان ما أضل أعيد فيها. Now we'll take the first number, 12. Okay? Now I will find two numbers. If you multiply them, you get a 12. Except one. I don't want the one. Okay? I can write it 12 multiply 1, but 1 I don't want it. Okay? Yalla, 12 it can be from 4 and 3, right? From 4 and 3. 4 multiply 3 is a 12. Top. The 4 also it can be 2 multiply 2. Top. The 3 I have only 3 multiply 1, but 1 I don't need it. So if I have only 1 multiply the number, I put a circle. Here, this 2, I have only 2 by 1, but 1 I don't need it. So I put a circle. Here 2 also, it is 2 by 1. The 1 I don't need it. So I put a circle like this. Now let's go to do the same thing for the 16. Two numbers, if you multiply them, you get 16, except one. It is 8 with 2 or 4 by 4, right? You can choose whatever. Now the 8, it is 2 by 4. The 2, you cannot do more. It's only 2 by 1, so circle it. The 4, it is 2 by 2. Do it more. These 2s, 2 by 1, 2 by 1. Circle them. I cannot do more. And this 2 also, 2 by 1. Now, after I found the the three factors for each number, I will take this 12 here and put equal. And I will take the 16 under it and put equal. Now, the 12 is the multiplication of the circled numbers only. The multiplication of the circled numbers. 2 multiply 2 multiply 3. We call it prime factorization. And the 16 is the multiplication of the circled number. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. The circled number. Do not put 8 and 4 here. No, only the circled numbers. Okay? So 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. We have 4 2's, right? After I wrote the multiplications down, I will make circles for the common numbers. 2 and 2, make circle on it. 2 and 2, make circle in it. Do I have other common? Common means up and down. They are here and here. No, I have only these two common groups. Okay? Now, after I finish this idea here, I can find the greatest G, common, C, factor equal. Now, from each group, take one number. So here we have a group with 2 and 2. I take one number of them, multiply between. The second group, 2 and 2. Take one of them and find the answer. 2 multiply 2 is 4. So the greatest common factor of 12 and 16 is what? 4. This is the greatest common factor. I will give you another example. If you don't understand this one, I will give you another example, okay? Let's find the greatest common factor of the two numbers 20 and 35. 20 and 35. How I'll find the greatest common factor of 20 and 35? Now, I will make the 35 40, معلش. I'll make it 40. Now, I want someone to help me here. Who can help me here? Yalla, I want a student to help me. Jalal.
Yes, mister.
Yalla, ya Jalal. What's the first step, Jalal? We will do what?
3.
Way. If you multiply them, you got a 20.
10 by 2.
10 by 2 or 4 by 5, right?
Yeah.
But I can use any choice, 10 by 2, 4 by 5, whatever. But for the 10, can we do more? Give me two numbers. If you multiply them, you got 10. 2 by 5. Mumtaz. This 2, can we do more?
No,
Because
circle it.
2 is only 2 by 1, and I don't need the 1, so put circle here. How about the 5? Do we have two numbers except 1? If you multiply them, you get 5. No, so put a circle. How about this 2?
The same, the second 2. The same.
Also circle, right?
Yeah.
Good boy. Now let's go to the 40 and do the 3 for it. Yalla, 40. Give me two numbers. If you multiply them, you got 40.
4 by 10.
4 by 10 or 8 by 5 or 20 by 2. We have a lot of numbers, right? 4 by 10, sorry.
Yeah.
Right. Let's go to the 4. Can we do more for the 4?
2 by 2.
2 by 2. Mumtaz. But these 2s, can we do more for them?
No, circle it.
Circle. 10.
5 by 2.
5 by 2. Can we do more for them?
No, the 2 circle it.
Good. After I finish, I will write the numbers down with multiples, right? 20 equal and 40 down of it equal, right?
Yeah.
Now, what's the 20 equal? What are the numbers here? I'll multiply them.
The numbers are circled. 2
The
by 2
circled
by
numbers, which is 2 multiply 5 multiply 2, right?
Yeah.
Good. What are the numbers for the 40? These numbers down.
2 by 2 by 5 by 2.
Multiply 5 multiply 2, right?
Yeah, correct.
Now, let's circle the common factors, okay?
Okay, only 2 by 2.
Yeah. 2 by 2, it's common. Circle them. 5, do we have 5 down?
Yeah, we have.
So we circle it like this, guys. Look.
Ah.
Like this. It's not important to be over each other. عادي ما في مشكلة. 5 with 5, common. But do we have other commons?
2 with 2.
2 with 2. Good boy. Or this 2 with this 2. Okay?
Now we finish. No, but no.
No, it's not finished. We need to find the greatest common factor.
I know. We finish about the same.
Greatest common factor equal. What we will do, Ya Jalal? From each common group, we will take one number only. Okay?
I want 5 and 2.
From each common group, I will take one number. How many common groups here?
3.
3 common groups. First one, 2 and 2, I will take 1, 2. Got it?
Okay.
The second common group is 5 and 5. I will take 1, 5. The third common group is 2 and 2. I will take 1, 2. Got it?
Got it.
Now let's multiply. 2 multiply 5,
20.
Multiply 2, it's a 20. So the greatest common factor of 40 and 20 is
20.
This is how we find the greatest common
That's
factor,
easy.
guys, using the three-way. We have other way, which is the factors, but I want to use the three-way only, okay? The three-way only. Now,
That's easy, mister.
I know, mister, because you have a smart teacher.
يعني مش احنا السمارت. The teacher is smart.
Yep, exactly. No, you are my smart students. That's why you see it easy. Okay, let's, thank you. Let's go to Abdullah. Abdullah. طيب. محمد دعاس, Adam.
Mister.
Adam, are you with me?
Yes.
Hello? Yalla, Adam, do you understand it? Hello?
Yes.
Do you understand it, Yabri?
Yes,
Talk
yes,
with me
yes.
quickly. Good boy. Let's go to do exercises from the book with Adam. What? Yeah, we are on page 559, guys. All of you go there. Page 559. Go there. This page. Yalla, Adam, read.
Okay.
Adam.
Wait. Find the GCF of each set of numbers.
Yeah. Question 3. We have 24 and what?
And 60.
And 60. How we will find the greatest common factor of 24 and 60, Adam? Yalla, tell me. What we will use?
We use the
okay.
Yeah.
Three-way. Read it. Three-way.
Three-way.
Now, tell me what we will do for 24. How it?
Okay, first 16, 16, 6, 16,
ما في وين ال
6
60 يا
and
ابني
10.
ركز لحظة شوي اهدى. There is no 16 here. There is 60 and 24, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, 24. Give me two numbers. If you multiply them, you got it 24. Hello?
2 and 12. 2 and 12.
2 and 12, or 6 by 4, or 8 by 3. We have a lot of choices. But can we do more for the 2?
Yeah, 2 by 1. 2.
But we don't want the 1. We said that before. We don't want the 1. What I will do? We put a circle. ممتاز. طيب. The 12. Do we have numbers? If you multiply them, you get 12. غير ال 1. يا ابني توك وين بتروح انت؟
Okay. 2 and
12 يا ابني. Give me two numbers. If you multiply them, you get 12.
2 and
2 and 6 يا حبيبي. 2 and 6. Can we do more for this 2?
No.
Circle. This 6.
Circle. You can put 3.
2 and 3. 2 and 3 like this. Okay?
Yes.
Can we do more for the 2? No. Yeah. Can we do more for the 3?
No.
Kaman, no, it's only 3 by
No.
1. Do you understand that?
Yes.
60. Give me 2 numbers. If you multiply them, you get 60. Guys, copy.
Six.
This is question 3. Down, copy. 60 يا ابني يلا.
6 and 10.
6 and 10. ممتاز. Can we do 4 the 6?
Yes. 2 multiply 3.
2 and 3 and we put circle. طب can we do 4 the 10?
Yeah.
كيف no?
Yes.
10.
2 multiply wait.
5. 10 is
2
2
multiply
2 multiply 5. يلا. Now the 24 equal. Guys, it depends on the timetable. Remember? Timetable. كم مرة حكينا احفظوه؟ Adam, are you with me?
Yes.
Now 24 equal the multiple of the circled numbers only. Do not take 6 and 12. You take 2, 2, and 3. Okay?
Okay.
Yalla, 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply what? 3. Got it? Now the 60
Yes.
under of it equal the multiple of the circled number. 2 multiply 3 multiply 2
3.
multiply 5. Right?
Yeah.
Now, what are the common? 2 with 2. شو بنحط? Circle. طيب. Do we have a 3 up with this 3?
Yes.
Yes, but a circle like this, huh?
I have 3 and 3.
It is not circle, but make them together. But do we have other common?
Okay. 2 and 2.
2 and 2. Put a circle like this. Got it? How many common groups we have? 1,
Last
2, 3 common groups, right? Now, the greatest common factor equal.
Yes.
From each group, we take how many numbers? 1 number only. This group, 2 and 2, take 1 number. This group, 3 and 3, take 1 number. This group, 2 and 2, take 1 number. Got it?
Yes.
Now let's multiply. 2 multiply 3, 6. 6 multiply 2, it is 12. So the greatest common factor equals what? 12.
It's 12.
Do you understand it, ya Adam?
Okay. Yes.
Good boy. This is the question 3, guys. Let's do more. Copy. If you don't have time to copy, guys, you need to watch the video again. This video will be on Classera after Kenan send it. This video will be on Classera. Watch it again, okay? Question 4. Who can help me with the question 4? Hope you understand it, guys. It's important idea. Omar Samuel.
Yes, Mr.
Yalla, question 4, quickly, Omar.
12 and 18.
Yalla, 12 and 18. Wanna find the GCF. Let's just start with the 12. Give me 2 numbers for the 12. بسرعة.
6 by 2.
6 and 2. طب how about the 6?
3 by 2.
3 by 2. Good. How about this 2? Can we do more?
No.
Circle. 3.
3. No. And 2.
2. Circle. Got it?
Yes.
يلا ال 18.
18. 6 by 3.
6 by 3. The 3.
Circle it.
The 6.
3 by 2.
Yeah, good boy. Now let's write the numbers down. 12 equal and 18 equal. The 12 equals what?
2 multiply 2 multiply 3.
Mumtaz. The multiple of the circled numbers, guys, only do not put 6 with them, okay? The 18 is 2 by 3 by?
3.
Good. Now, do we have common here, 2 and
Yes.
2? What's the other common?
3 and no, only this 3. Oh, okay. 3 and 3.
Now, what's the greatest common factor equal?
2 multiply 3.
From each group, guys, we take one number. From this group, take one number. And from this group, take one number. So the GCF equal what?
Equal 6.
Mumtaz. Do you understand it, Yabni?
Yes.
Good boy. This is the question 4, guys. Let's do question 5 together. Question 5. Who can help me? Abdullah Ihab. Copy, guys. Copy. If you don't have time to copy, watch the video again and finish copying. Abdullah.
Yes.
Yalla ya Abdullah, بسرعة. Question 5.
18 and 42.
18 and 42. ممتاز. What's for the 18? يلا.
8 and 2.
18 يا ابني. 8 and 2. No. 8 and 2
9
gives
and 2. 9 and 2.
ركز حبيبي الله يسعدك. 18 is what? 9 and 2. طب the 9.
3 and 3.
ممتاز. This 2.
Circle.
This 3.
Circle.
This 3.
Also circle.
ممتاز. We finished the 18. Let's go to the 42. Give me two numbers. If you multiply them, you get 42.
6 and 7.
ممتاز. 6 and 7. The 7.
Circle it.
We have only 7 by 1, guys. We don't have the timetable. So we circle it. The 6.
3 and 2.
And circle them, right?
Yes.
Now, the 18 equals what? And the 42 equals what?
18 equal 3 multiply 3 multiply 2.
ممتاز. The 42.
7 multiply 2 multiply 3.
ممتاز. Guys, لو حطينا 7 هون, 3 هون, عادي, it's okay. The multiplication is okay. Now, what are the common, يا ابني?
3 and 3. And
3
2
and
2.
3. And what? We have 2 here and 2 here, right?
Yes.
So what's the GCF equal?
3 multiply 2.
3 by 2, which is?
6.
ممتاز. Do you understand it?
Yes.
Good boy. Thank you. Question 6, guys. Kinan Barakat. Question 6. Kinan.
Yes, Mr.
يلا بسرعة يا كنان لا تضيع وقت حبيبي. Question 6. What we have?
30 and 72.
30 and 72. Let's start with the 30 بسرعة. يلا give me two numbers.
10 by 3.
10 by 3 or 6 by 5, right?
Yes.
It's the same. You can choose 10 by 3, you can choose 6 by 5, it's the same. طب the 10.
10 is 5 multiply 2.
5 by 2. The 5.
The 5 we can't.
Circle. 2.
We can't.
Circle.
And also
3.
that we can't also.
Circle. طب let's go to the 72 now. Two numbers.
72. 8 multiply 9.
ممتاز. The 8.
The 8 4 multiply 2.
The 4.
The 4 2 multiply 2.
And circled, right? The 9.
The 9 we can't. Share.
No, we can't. Kif we cannot? The 9 is a 3 by 3, right?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Now the 30 equals what? Tell me.
The 30 equal 5 multiply 2 multiply 3.
The 72 equals what?
3 multiply 3 and 2 multiply 2 multiply 2.
Good. Now the common are. Do we have 2 or 5 down here?
Yes, 2 and 2 and 3 and 3.
ماشي. And
3 and 3 only.
3 and 3 only, right? So what's the GCF?
6. 3
2
multiply
by
2
3, which is 6.
equal
Mumtaz.
6.
Mumtaz. Mumtaz. Thank you. This is the question 6, guys. Stop. Always we have 2 numbers? No, sometimes we have 3 numbers. Sometimes we have 3 numbers. I will do example for you in 3 numbers quickly, guys, because I'm running off time here. So I'll do example on 3 numbers. For example, question 9. See question 9, guys? Question 9, okay? 9, 18, 42. 9, 18, and 42. We'll do the same for each number, 3-way. 9, it's a 3 by 3, circle. 18, it is 9 by 2, and the 9 is 3 by 3, and circle. 42, it is 6 by 7, and the 6, it is 2 by 3, circle. And the 7 also. And we write the numbers over each other. 9 equal, 18 equal, 42 equal. The 9, 3 by 3. The 18, 3 by 3 by 2. The 42, 2 by 3 by 7. Now the common should be on the 3 numbers, guys. On the 3 numbers. So we have 3, 3, 3. Circle. Huh? Look. It's easy. We have only 3, 3, 3, right? We have 2 here and here, but here no 2. So we have only one common group. So the GCF equals only 3. This is question 9, guys. Copy it after you watch the video again. Here is still some questions we didn't do them. Do them as the homework, guys. Plus your homework after this page. Do finish the questions here and send it on Classera. If you have any question, you can ask me tomorrow, inshallah. Thank you so much and have a good day. Can I send the video quickly, please? And goodbye.